Hey guys, it's Smile God Loves One. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel. Today I did a collaboration video with Hey It's Thea XO. I'm gonna link her information down below. If I can, I'll put her somewhere here. And you guys can go check out her channel because she also put up a video of our collaboration together. For this video, we made crunchy slime. We both did our own versions of it. If you guys want to see how I made this crunchy slime, just stay tuned and keep watching. Let me know what you guys think, okay?
So, this is basically our little setup of all the things that we're going to be using. So, if you want to go ahead and show your side.
Okay, I'm using holographic silver glitter. I'm gonna also be using extreme glitter jelly beans pink paint. We've got clear glue for the both of us. I've got these straws, which I'm gonna use for my method. I got gold because you know they were free. You thought I was gonna say because it's cute. Like, no. Okay, and we have some borax detergent booster. Okay.
Okay, and then over here I have sequins, and this is gold. And this is what I'm going to be using to make my crunchy slime. I also have the extreme glitter champagne paint that I'm going to be using. Then I also have some shaving cream to kind of make the slime soft. And then here we have red solo cups to mix. We also have spoons. And then we have a white bowl to mix our slime in.
This is what they always do in YouTube videos.
Oh my gosh.
One of those wooden tongue pressers.
I'm gonna go get water.
Hot water.
Be right back. Fill the cup with water. About this slime right here. And now I'm going to go ahead and put some borax in here. Yeah, there. Yeah, I need to see it. Oh my god. You think it's good?
No.
I know, but if we keep on adding more, it's just gonna get like clumpier. You think?
No. You see that? It's not. I watched this girl, Karina or whatever, do her slime videos, so I know what I'm doing. She does them right. See? Trust in me. Trust me.
I want to touch it.
Okay, hold on. Yes, Hunty, look at this.
Oh!
Oh. Oh, now I'm going in there.
Oh wow!
Okay, this is the part where it gets messy.
Wait, but I feel like if you move it in your hand.
I think we still gotta add a little more. Like, I'm gonna start kneading it, but I think
Look though.
it is getting somewhere.
Yeah, but yeah, to add more. Look at that though. Look how cool that is. Whoa!
Look
It's
how
so
cool
fun.
that is. Keep dripping everywhere. Okay, so your job is gonna be to hold this.
Okay.
Because I don't want it to get in there.
I really smashed my pinky and it kind of explodes me on. Oh wow, look how cool it is.
It still feels bad though. It's not done yet.
Hello.
I'll be able to.
It feels so good though.
No, I think it's done. I mean,
No, I think we need to add more because of the stickiness.
yeah, all over my hand.
Oh, I think
I think that's it. getting there now. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
It made it less slimy by adding more in there, you know? I think it's perfect now.
You think so?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm just gonna go ahead and like you think adding the paint will make it turn into something?
No.
It's just really sticky. But I feel like the more you eat it, the more it gets thicker. You know? But like no color whatsoever. Mine is like no color.
You want to borrow some of my glitter? Make it better.
I don't think I'll make it better.
I think glitter makes everything better.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wing it. I'm just gonna go for it. Go big or go home. If nothing works, then nothing works. Oh, this is gonna make it super crunchy. You do that? It's lit. Not the prettiest. I mean, the thing is coming out, but like, wow. It's really, you know, pretty, very gorgeous, I think.
I think I want to add more paint to mine. No, I think I'm going to put some straws.
Oh, you heard that?
Yeah. Show them your slime.
But it sounds good.
Can I try to add pink to it, please?
If you want.
Yeah, I do. I want so bad to do this. We're gonna make it better. Poor thing. Shitty. Get it? Poo-poo slime. I have to knead it. Where it looks like, I don't even know what color. You know what mine looks like?
What?
Macaroni with pink cheese. It's like gold macaroni with pink cheese.
It feels good.
Yeah. I think your slime was like an eyesore before. Like you just hurt to look at it. Now it's a little better because it's like a nice light pink. Yeah. Hey, Anthea, I worked hard on it. Okay,
I
none of
really
my
like how it should. Look how cool that is.
macaroni and pink cheese.
Look at that. Oh! It's definitely slimy.
Because when you put a lot of paint in it, I feel like it makes it fun.
Oh wow. Oh, okay. I feel like it did something.
It looks better though, right? Our slime. Hope you liked it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure to thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to subscribe to Hey It's Thea XO. Comment down below if you want us to do more collaborations. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!